welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a portfolio website using the ChatGPT help. So for this you need to write, suppose like create a portfolio website using HTML and CSS. Okay, then press enter and the ChatGPT will provide you the HTML code here, and they also provide you the CSS code. So you see they are making like home, project, contact, project 1 and project 2, and they also give you that CSS code here. Okay, so then copy your HTML code from here, then go to your Sublime text. If you are using Windows, you can you can use your notepad. Okay, so press here, go to the file, click save, and right here write like home.html, and I'm saving this file in the portfolio folder. Okay, save. Okay, replace, then copy your CSS code. Okay, and same, go to the Sublime text, press here, and go to the save and write style.css. Okay, then save it. Why I why I write style.css? Because you have to link and your CSS file into your HTML code. Okay, so now go to your folder, the portfolio folder, and you see there is a two file, home.html and style.css. Okay, so right click on your home.html file, go to the open with, and go to the your Google Chrome, click here, and you see your portfolio website is here. So now you can you can change your code, you can modify your code by adding multiple tab, so multiple project. So and also you can change your design by changing your style.css code. Like if you want to change the background color or background image, so everything you just need to modify your code. So that is a very simple portfolio website you can make by taking help from ChatGPT. So that's for today, and I hope this video going to help you to create your own portfolio website. So see you guys in the next video. Thanks.